Let's go straight into the massive leak that surfaced a few days before the Pixel 9 Pro XL's official unveiling to expose some unexpected facts. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will start at $1,100 for the 128GB model and $1,200 for the 256GB model, ending the era of Pixel phones being significantly more affordable than the competition. The Pixel 9 Pro, on the other hand, will cost $1,000. In order to make the $256GB device available for the same price as the 128GB variant, Google is also offering pre-purchase benefits, including a free storage increase. First, the display brightness is receiving a significant bump to 3000 nits for comparison, according to the leaked official specifications for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 2600 nits display, but unlike the S24 Ultra, it won't be protected by Gorilla Glass armor. Instead, it will utilize Gorilla Glass Victus 2. This may come as a bit of a letdown as Gorilla Glass armor provides far greater scratch resistance and reflection reduction. May it be that Corning is experiencing problems producing enough glass for everyone, or may Samsung have an exclusive contract on the new glass? Another shocking revelation is that the Pixel 9 lineup will launch with Android 14 instead of Android 15. This is the first time a Pixel phone won't launch with the upcoming Android version, and it's likely due to Google pushing back the launch of the Pixel 8 phones, which came out in November. As a result, the Pixel 9 Pro XL will miss out on one more Android update that it could have received if they had waited a little longer and launched with Android 15. But, let's be honest, this isn't a big deal, since Google promises 7 years worth of operating system updates for this phone. The Pixel 9 Pro XL's other specifications are shown below since most users won't keep this phone for 7 years. Let's talk about the additional software features now that you know the Pixel 9 Pro XL will also be available in a 1TB model. Easily change any aspect of a picture by typing in a prompt, such as replacing the backdrop with a stunning sunset scene while maintaining the original composition, or transforming street into raging waters. This is one of the best features of the program. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.